Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to make a dreamy glowing effect on your video using VN editor. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open your VN and then import the video that you want to edit. For example, I already prepared this video, and the way how to add a dreamy glowing effect is just by click the first part of the video and then you need to duplicate it, and then after that on the first part click it and then swipe left until you found blur effect, this one, then click it, and now you need to use the first style of blur and increase the blurry effect until it reach 100 like this, and then go back, wait for a moment, and then click the second part of the video and then swipe left the toolbar again and forward the video, and after you forward it you need to adjust the position as same as the duration of the first video, and don't forget to delete the black background. After you finish doing it, and then swipe left the toolbar again, then click fill button here, and after you click it, swipe right and then click filter for a moment, and now we need to use Polaroid filter, this one, and use P2, this one, and then click adjust, and now we need to adjust the exposure, the contrast, saturation, and vibrance. Okay, so for the exposure you need to decrease it until it reach 40, this one, and for the contrast we need to decrease it until it's minus 100, and for the saturation increase it until plus 10 like this, and for the vibrance increase it one more time until it's reach plus 25, and click done. And now swipe left, as you can see that the second part of the video is already have a filter, and now swipe left the toolbar and then you need to find blending button here and click it, swipe left, but first there's a lot of choice of blending style on your VN editor, but we need to use this hard light style, this one, and then click apply, and after that you can see that this is the final result of it, and now your video have a dreamy glowing effect just on a minute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.